Did India buy Chinese rapid antibody tests at 3 times their normal price? Now, these kits, it seems, were sold to the government at an inflated price by an Indian distributor. The inflated price came to light only because of a legal dispute between the Indian distributor and an Indian importer. As it happens, these are the same Chinese rapid test kits that have now been put on hold after state complained of faulty results from them. Arvind joining us at this point. Arvind, what more do we know?
Ankita, shocking details regarding the procurement of rapid antibody kits, which are actually dodgy, which are actually under quality, which have been imported from China, have been have been exposed now through a Delhi High Court order. This particular High Court order shows that the government, in fact, they had procured this dodgy Chinese rapid antibody kits at over double the rate. In fact, it's around 3 times. They have paid at least 3 times over the original price to the Indian distributor and also the supplier. In fact, ICMR, which is a nodal testing agency, which is a nodal agency for the diagnosis of COVID-19 across the country under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, on March 25th, they had invited bids for the supply of around 5 lakh antibody kits, and they had priced the per unit price at 600 per unit. That is 600 per unit into 5 lakh, and they have calculated the total amount of the agreement to be worth 30 crore. In fact, we have accessed that particular purchase order that was raised by ICMR with this Indian distributor also, that I think we can show it on our screen also. So this particular purchase order was signed between ICMR with this particular pharmaceutical Indian distributor company on March 27th, and we can see that each unit of this rapid antibody kits have been priced at around 600 per unit, and 5 lakh units into 600, they have priced the entire agreement for 30 crore rupees. So this is the real contention. In fact, after this particular agreement between this ICMR and also Indian distributor, this Indian distributor intent, they had signed an agreement with an Indian importer, and that company is called Matrix. So when there was a tussle, when there was a legal dispute between the Indian distributor and also the Indian supplier, Indian importer, so this matter reached the Delhi High Court. During that particular hearing only, during this particular order only, the shocking details have emerged showing that India indeed have paid over double the amount of the original kit. In fact, the Matrix, which is an Indian importer for these kits from China, that is a 1,4 Biotech Chinese kits, they have actually paid only $3 per kit. That is, they have hardly paid 225 rupees per kit. And including the cost details, including the flight cost, that is the cargo details, it shows that it has been accounted to 225 rupees per kit plus 20 rupees for the flight charges. So the total amount, it comes to 245 rupees only. That is, the Indian importer, that is the Matrix, they have procured the Chinese kits at around 245 rupees per kit, and in turn they have given to the Indian distributor, and that Indian distributor, they have sold it to ICMR at the rate of 600 per unit. That is, from 245, they have sold it to 600 per unit, which is an increase of around 60%, with a profit of at around 60%. Shocking with this price market, shocking at the showing at the profit. Now the High Court has issued an order saying that these kits cannot be sold more than 400 per unit. So if that is the reason, how did ICMR fix the price of 600 per unit when the cost of a single unit at the China end is only at around 225 unit plus 20 rupees the flight charge also? How did ICMR fix the price of 600 rupees per unit with an increase of around 60% profit for these private companies? So this is a very, very important question that in fact we raised with ICMR also, but ICMR has not yet responded to our question. Not just ICMR, citing ICMR, several state governments have also gone ahead with the same model, and they have also paid around 600 per unit.